Yes.
Tell me when you start recording.
I just started recording.
Today could be the last day for me. This is how rednecks are up flat tractor tires. First, you get something that's flammable and highly explosive, and you spray that inside the tire. I saw this on YouTube, so I know it's worked. It'll work. Oh God, I think that's enough. All right, now you take a flame and you light it. Oh. No! No!
It's working.
No, it isn't. Oh
It's
shit!
It's working.
I need to put it out.
No, it's working.
No, it's not. It's supposed to go bang.
Oh, no.
It's supposed to go. It's supposed to explode like. Woof, woof.
Yeah.
It's gonna need a new tire. Okay, cut. Oh man.
Tighten it up more.
No.
I'm telling you, it's gonna work.
It's still okay. It's hot now. Imagine that.
Is there water in that inside now?
Probably, yeah. Not a whole lot, but
Can you tell?
it actually looks fairly dry.
I just smelled it
Try
over here.
pumping. Try using the.
The air, well, it's just not seated anywhere. At least before, it was touching on both sides of the rim. You know, now there's like huge gaps that are just never